Yeah, here we have a DAKE 10-inch horizontal bandsaw. This is a 4-speed, 220-volt single phase. This has a coolant system on it. And what we're going to do is we're going to fire it up for you, just to show you that it does operate. So hit the start button. This has a hydraulic down feed system. Adjustable. Keep your coolant nozzle. It does have a safety switch. As the head goes down, the safety switch on there, and it shuts the machine off automatically. It appears to be unused. It's in really good condition. It's got a Baldor 1-horse motor. There's your full 4-speed pulley drive. It includes your instruction manual and a part for your vise here. Now, I'm just going to go over the controls here. This is what we found with this. As you can see, there's some smoke marks on the inside cover here, and on not the contactor but the thermal overload. And what we think happened is possibly a loose wire or something like that. We're not really quite sure. However, the machine does operate. If you just do the reset on it, if you just pick the head up again, let's pick it up a little bit like that. So apparently it's not doing really much of anything now, but it looks like it may be burned out. So that may have to be replaced, that thermal overload right there. And other than that, it's in really good condition. Again, it's got the hydraulic down feed here. And we just replaced these bolts on the top here. There's 2 missing, so we just put some stainless steel hex nuts in there. Here's your coolant pump down there on the back side there. Again, you got your motor. This tightens the vise. It's a quick release vise on here. And we thank you for looking at our product.